Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we're going to look at how we can combine Excel files for different months. So assuming we have an Excel workbook that has different data for different months, we have January, February, March. But then our task is to combine the whole sheets so that we create an automated kind of, update when there is new file. Okay, so basically one will try to, or the normal way will be to create a sheet and try to copy. So let's say you copy all to this sheet, then you go to February, do the same, then you paste beneath it. But assuming there is not a smart way of doing that, because assuming that every month data will come in, why will you have to do this manually? So there is a better way of doing that by using Power Query. So what I'll do is I'll just create a new Excel file. So Control N, this opens a new Excel workbook. Then I'll go to Data, then Get Data. So Get Data, I'll choose from File. Then I'll choose from Worksheet. So I'll look for the data. There is the data set, and I open it like this. So Excel will load it into Power Query. So I'll just select one of the months, which is January. Then I click on Transform Data. So this will load January's data into Power Query. And the next thing that I'll do is, when you look at here, the apply steps, you see that there has been a couple of apply steps. So I'll just remove them and leave only the source, because I want to get the source of the data. I don't need these fields, so I'll just select all of them, right click and choose remove columns. So now I have these two columns, and this is our original sheet. So we have January, February, March. So to get all the data, I'll just drop down here and click on OK again. So this will expand the data for us. But there are some anomalies that we need to clean. So you see that each of the month has different set of headers. So what I'll do is I'll select the first one. Then I go to use first row as header. So when I click on this, the first row is now used as header. So I'll just double click on this and change it to month. But we are not done. When you come to February, you see that we have another set of headings there. So what I'll do is I'll click on brand, then I'll choose retail. I'll uncheck retail and click on OK. So this removes the header for February. Then I go down to March. Okay, March 2 is gone. So now we have the right data that we want. So what do I do next? Right, so this is just the data that we want, or we've just done the cleaning that we need, and we've also combined the data. So I'll just go back here and click on close and load. So this will load the data back into the new Excel sheet that we opened or we created. So now we have all our data added. So from January, February, March is combined. This is very simple. So now we have 99 rows. So assuming that the following month we get another set of data, so I'll just duplicate this. I'll duplicate it by just making a copy. So right click, then I'll just make a copy So create a copy. I'll create a copy of March. Okay, then I'll rename it to April. Right, then I'll try to change the names. So I'll make this, let's say, Wonder. So wherever you see Kwakudapa, I want Wonder. Okay, then Buzz. When you see Buzz, I want, let's say, iPhone. Okay, right. So okay, so assuming that we've added our April data set, we come back to our the previously combined data. Then on the connections, you right click and refresh. So you see it has changed from 91 to 122. So that means the data has been updated. So this creates a form of automation which prevents you from manually adding the data set as and when new month's data comes in. So basically this is how you can use Power Query to automate data combination. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Okay, so if you love this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notification of videos as and when it is loaded. Thanks once again.